We realised that something big was being prepared because we could see the number of guns, new guns that were arriving on the front and the amount of shells that were coming.
We were told by the generals of the battle that was going to be on the 1st of July, and we were also told that there wouldn't be a German within miles.
There was going to be this bombardment that would knock hell out of the Germans, and all we had to do was get up and walk across. Just walk straight through to Berlin.
It was what they were always called the dance of hell. It was bump, 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 shells bursting all the time. Could never get it out of my memory.
We'd reached our attacking positions overnight and were all ready for the assault. I was next to the officer, and he said very shortly, only 5 minutes to go.
At 7:30, every man climbed out of the trenches at the whistle of the officers, and not a man hesitated.
There wasn't one of us in our battalion that ever got to the German lines. You couldn't. It was absolutely impossible. You see, the Germans had these deep dugouts. They were as safe as the bank. They were 30 feet down.
All I could see was men lying dead, men screaming, men on the barbed wire with the bowels hanging down, shrieking. I was just alone in a hell of fire and smoke and stink. And so I began to creep back towards the line, through shell holes, through the mud, and down into the trench.
Some had been able to crawl back to our trenches. Some of them would say, "Oh, shall I get to Blighty?" You had to encourage them to think they would.